Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Winter has started and winter winds have started blowing. This is the time we need to take good care of our babies during this season, as babies do not have strong immunity, so we need to take more care of our little ones during this season. So here in this video I am going to share how you parents can help your baby to remain warm and safe during this winter. So let's get started. Newborns and infants do not have the ability to self-regulate their body temperature. Also, infants lose heat much faster than we adults do, so they are less capable to cope with cold. So here are some of the safety tips that I follow for my child during this winter. First is clothing. Now since baby skin is far more delicate than us, so we need to cover our little one's skin appropriately yet comfortably. Like dressing your baby in lightweight cotton clothes with woolen layer and comfortably. Again, you should use full sleeve t-shirt and full length bottoms, cotton socks and cap of course. But again, ensure that your baby is able to move freely, move his hands and legs freely. Again, do not overdress your baby because that can cause overheating and sometimes rashes in baby skin. So it's better that you make your baby wear clothes in layers. First a lightweight cloth and then maybe a t-shirt, and then again a sweater or something, so that whenever the temperature goes up during the day, you can open one layer at a time and not all, so that can be helpful for your child. Another thing is, in winters it is very important to keep our baby skin moisturized, and there are various ways of it. One of them is massaging. Now massaging is a great way to moisturize your baby's skin deeply, and also massaging, as we all know, stimulates blood flow, which will again help him abundantly to keep him warm during this season. So what I used to do is, I used to massage my baby twice a day, like once before a bath and the other one at night. Now massaging especially at night will not only help him to keep him warm, but also gives him a very good sleep. Another point is, during massaging, especially in winters, make sure all the doors and windows are closed and the room is warm enough, because your baby will be naked, so can catch a cold. Another thing is, when you're about to start the massage, you should have all the accessories along with you, like the massaging oil, towels, napkins and the bathing accessories, in case you want to follow up the massage with a bath. So these everything should be along with you, so that you do not get up again and again to get those things. Another thing is, keep the massaging sessions short, not too long during this winter, and always massage your baby when there is direct sunlight coming into the room. At that time, at that place, you can massage for some time. Of course, your baby will of course enjoy the massage. Before starting the massage, you can warm your hands properly, and also you can warm the massage oil. Just after the massage, in case you want to give him a bath. Now, though it is not necessary to give your baby a daily bath during the winter, especially for the infants I'm saying, but you can always give your baby a bath when the sun is bright, like in the afternoon time, so that it's warm enough. And another thing is, in case you're not giving bath to your baby, the days when you're not giving bath to your baby, on those alternate days you can give him a sponge bath, which is just like wiping all the areas of your baby's body with a clean wash towel. Now some of the safety points here is that keep the bathing sessions also short and not too long, because if the sessions are too long, then your baby's skin will start drying out. And the water should be lukewarm and not too hot or too cold, because if the water is too hot, it will take away the necessary moisture from your baby's skin, and again if it's too cold, obviously your baby won't like it and in this winter he may get a cold. After bath, it is necessary to dry your baby completely, like using a towel, all the areas, especially the hidden parts like the armpits or the genitals and everything. And of course after that you can use a mild moisturizer. Now on this I have made a full video on massaging, like what are the things that are need to be taken care during a massage. You can check that. I'll be putting the link in the description. There are some specific things that should be done to minimize the chance of getting your baby sick. Okay, first is exclusively breastfeeding. Now breastfeeding I feel is immensely powerful and is very much important, as it passes the antibodies from your body to your baby and to help her fight infections. So this is important. Second is vaccination. It is important that your baby is vaccinated at the right time to keep her healthy in future. And also vaccines are a great way of ensuring that your baby is least susceptible to germs and diseases. Since we mothers are a major point of contact for our babies, so it is very much important that we keep ourselves clean and healthy, even more in this winter season, like washing hands and using sanitizers before attending the baby and etc. Again, change babies diapers or nappies frequently, because winters is the time when they get wet even more, since there is no sweating or very less sweating, so they get wet even more. Some of the problems that babies face in this winter is like dry lips or chapped cheeks and all. Sometimes the cheeks becomes red and blood starts coming out in case they start scratching. So if your baby is having dry lips, if your baby is less than 6 months, you can just apply a bit of breast milk on the lips, and after some time, maybe after half an hour or something, you can just wash it off. And if your baby is 6 months plus, you can apply homemade ghee on the lips. That would work. And in case your baby has chapped cheeks and all, so I would suggest to apply baby cream instead of lotion, because lotion is something that dries out very quickly. So cream will work good in this case. Last but not the least is maintaining a good diet. If you are still breastfeeding your baby and you are someone who gets cold very quickly, then it would be better if you avoid the foods that have a cooling effect like curd in this winter season. But if you are okay with it, if you don't catch a cold very easily, then these things are fine. But for those I'm talking who gets cold very easily. Another thing is mothers can include garlic in their diet. It has antibiotic properties and nutrients in it that will anyhow pass from your body to your baby through breastfeeding. So maintain a healthy diet in this winter season too. That would be very helpful anyhow. So that's all for today. In case you like our video, please do subscribe to our channel, and thank you for so much of love for Ishu. We are truly blessed. Be happy, be safe. If you have any comments, any issues, you can tell that in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.